Bombardier G7500 versus Dassault Falcon 10X. The best names just have at least one name, the G7500 Bombardier. After the Gulfstream G700, the Global 7500 aircraft stands alone as the world's largest and longest-range business jet. These two have dominated this sector for quite some time now, but it appears that a new competitor is on the way. It's from the French airframer Dassault Aviation's newest edition, Falcon 10X. Greetings everyone, hello there and thank you for visiting our YouTube channel. This is where we talk about the most recent news, rumors, and viewpoints. So let's get started. But first, if you haven't already done so, please subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on any future videos. The Global 7500 is a high-speed business jet developed by Bombardier Aerospace. It was originally known as the Global 7000 business jet and was rebranded as the Global 7500 after the European-based aviation convention and exhibition held in Geneva, Switzerland in May 2018. It was first delivered to a customer in December 2018. The key decisive elements will be the cabin's interior dimensions. The Bombardier Global 7500 has a large 4-zone cabin with a 2,637 cubic foot volume, or 74.7 meters cubed, which is 20% more cabin space than the Global 6000 aircraft. The cabin is 8 feet or 2.4 meters wide and 6 feet 2 inches or 1.87 meters high, and it can accommodate 10 to 19 passengers and 2 to 4 crew members. Cabin zones are a new concept that gives clients more flexibility and options when deciding on floor plans. When it comes to the Dassault 10X, the cabin will be 6 feet 8 inches high, or 2 meters high, and 9 feet 1 inch, or 2.76 meters wide, which is a little smaller than the previous largest cabin private jet. The 2,780 cubic foot, or 78.7 cubic meter, boasts best-in-class interior volume. But it's the modularity that Solid says, with the flexibility of monuments and furniture, that makes it stand out, allowing nearly limitless customizable cabins for the huge jet. Make sure to stick around until the end to see how these two aircraft compare in terms of performance, interior, and pricing. The aircraft can be fully customized with an open concept bar, dance floor, poker table, and sound system, to name a few things. But everything must be certified, which means you won't be decking the plane of Picasso's anytime soon. Inside the luxurious G7500, the owner chose a 16-seat configuration with 4 passenger seating compartments, each with the brand's revolutionary Nuage seat, which can be tailored to its owner and the interior of the aircraft, meaning cloning is not an option. The club suite is the initial seating area and is comprised of 2 pairs of leatherette chairs, each with its table stored in the partition. 2 sofas then make up the more intimate lounge area, and they can also be converted into beds when more guests are added. The conference and dining suites is just behind the club suite, with 6 club seats around a set table in total. The more intimate lounge room is made up of 2 couches, which may also be converted into beds for extra guests. The kitchen, which separates the passenger and crew cabins, is fully prepared to create each meal from scratch, with everything from a convection and steam oven to the sink and stove strategically situated for maximum efficiency. What sets the Falcon 10X apart is its cabin's sheer size. It will simply be the largest and most comfortable on the market, with far more flexibility thanks to a wide range of interior configurations. Instead of 4 cabin zones of equal length, you can cleverly configure your cabin with different zone lengths to create completely customized interiors. The Falcon 10X features a dining and conference area that can be used for meals or meetings, as well as a galley kitchen that can be used as a living area with the crew rest area doubling as a seat. And the kitchen will also have a fair share of natural light, as the windows illuminate the kitchen. The master bedroom is located at the back of the aircraft as an onboard retreat. The extra width of the cabin allows for a queen-size bed to fit in the room. An ensuite bathroom with a walk-in shower is attached to the master bedroom, further establishing the concept of a flying apartment. With 19 windows on each side of the aircraft, there will be no shortage of natural light. The G7500 is equipped with a Rockwell Collins avionics system and a Global Vision flight deck, 4 big LCD screens, a heads-up display system, an enhanced vision system, and a synthetic vision system are all available in the cockpit. It also has graphical flight planning and weather radar with advanced capabilities like wind shear detection. It comes with the most up-to-date performance-based navigation features, such as Wide Area Augmentation System. The Falcon 10X will be outfitted with the Falcon Digital Flight Control System, or DFCS. a digital flight control system for the future. Furthermore, the Smart Throttle has a protection feature that allows the pilot to press a button and have the aircraft automatically transition to a safer altitude and speed if they become disoriented or if turbulence occurs. As we near the end of the video, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel. The Global 7500 is powered by two GE Passport 20 engines, each of which produces 8,000 pounds of thrust and emits 8% less carbon dioxide. It has a range of 7,700 nautical miles and a maximum altitude of 51,000 feet. It can fly at a top speed of Mach 0.925, or 709 miles per hour, or 1,142 kilometers per hour, and an average cruise speed of Mach 0.85, or 852 miles per hour, or 1,050 kilometers per hour. The takeoff and landing distances are respectively 5,950 feet and 2,810 feet. The Rolls-Royce Pearl 10X engines that will power the Falcon 10X are capable of providing more than 18,000 pounds of thrust. The engine is in motion. The Pearl 10X is the third and most powerful version of the company's Pearl engine family, and it was designed in collaboration between Rolls-Royce and Dassault. The new engine combines Pearl's family architecture with innovative new technologies to improve the efficiency of the aircraft's propulsion system. The combustor dials on the next-generation engine will be 3D printed using a complicated additive layer manufacturing method, with a 5 reduction in particular fuel use and functioning on 100% of the time. The private jet will deliver sustainable aviation fuel, allowing it to achieve a maximum height of 51,000 feet and a maximum range of 7,500 nautical miles, at a cruise speed of Mach 0.85, or 852 miles per hour, or 1,049 kilometers per hour. Another advantage of the 10X is that it requires less than 2,500 feet of runway to land and 5,800 feet to take off, thanks in part to its wing design, which was changed from metal to carbon fiber, similar to what we did with Rafale fighter jet, says Carlos Brana, the SOS Executive Vice President of Civil Aircraft. Since 2018, 50 global G7500s have been delivered, and a new one will cost around $73 million, even though there aren't that many pre-owned versions available. And this is it for today, guys. What are your thoughts on today's Bombardier G75 versus Dassault Falcon 10X? Share with us in the comments below. Hit the bell icon and also like, subscribe, and share our channel. So be with us and go watch the top 10 cheapest private jets you can buy today on your left. Or you can also watch the most expensive private jets owned by celebrities on your right. Thank you for watching.